guys, today I'm gonna read Murphy's Law because I haven't read this one yet. So, I'm gonna start with, let me find it. This is chapter 1, decision making. Like as a kid, you always gotta decide if you want something or you don't want something. And you also gotta decide.
It's not all mommy or daddy's decision, diba?
Yes.
Sometimes you have to decide by yourself, especially if you know that you can already decide about something that is just simple.
Ma'am, bibigay ko na yung example.
What does that decision-making mindset telling you?
When you could either buy two things, both of them are the same price. A vegetable for 10 or a cake for 10.
Which will you buy?
Decision yun.
Yes. Which will you buy? The vegetable for 10 pesos or the cake for 10 pesos?
The vegetable squash yun, di ba? So, squash.
Squash.
Yes.
And then you will just make
squash
cake.
Reread ko na.
Okay.
Actually, mango. I love mango a lot.
Mango na lang.
Chapter 1, decision-making mindset. First,
rationality
is the ability of the mind to understand and analyze things using logic to test and discover the truth. It helps people change and evaluate their actions, experiences, and beliefs based on new or existing information. Rationality is a unique thinking tool of humans, closely related to thinking, perception, and judgment. Irrationality is not the only the ability to think, but also the foundation of personal and social development.